Everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute ring scarf. I use 3.5 millimeters hook and acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot like this. I show. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, yarn over, pull up yarn and chaining. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5 and continue like this. We make 90 centimeters of these chains for adults. This size suitable for adult. 90 centimeters. In here I make 160 chains. I show 90 centimeters, 160 chains. Add 3 chains like this, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chain, yarn over, skip these chains, 1, 2, 3. Go to next chain, in 4th chain. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, make half double crochet. Yarn over, go to next chain, take these 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together and make half double crochet. Make 1 half double crochet in each stitch for first row. I made 1 half double crochet in each chain. Go to last chain, take 2 yarns on your hook and make 1 half double crochet in, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, make half double crochet. I made 1 half double crochet in each stitch. In here continue like this. Continue like this. Insert your hook, hold this yarn on your hook, insert your hook, into first stitch in here. Yarn over, pull up yarn, slip stitch, make ring. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, skip this first stitch, go to next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Make a chain, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. pull through, make one double crochet, make a chain, yarn over, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, skip one stitch, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, and continue like this. One double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain. I made this stitch, one double crochet, one chain, skip one stitch, skip next stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, add one more chain, yarn over, go to top of first double crochet, make one double crochet, one chain, go to top of next double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, go to top of next double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, in here one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, and continue like this. One double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, in each stitch, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain, and continue like this and make more rows like these rows. I made this stitch 40 centimeters. Slip stitch, make one chain, yarn over, go to this space, pull through 3 yarns together, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, pull through 3 yarns, go to this space, make 1/2 double crochet in this space, 1/2 double crochet in top of this stitch, 1/2 double crochet, 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 and continue like this for last round. Half double crochet in each stitch. I made last row, slip stitch,